Hi guys, welcome back to episode 7 of Kamniji. And yeah, today, as you can see, we'll be unboxing the YouTube play button that we just recently received. And I'm super excited because I've never ever seen one of these in real life before, and now that the Standard Podcast had received it, we'll be doing an unboxing video and a mini review of what's inside the box. So let's see. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the YouTube play button. It's called the Silver Creator Award. It's an achievement to receive 100k subs within 3 months, which personally I think it's a really fast rate to achieve that milestone. I'm really appreciative of this award, but I'm not the only one to be taken credit for, because there's a lot of team members who worked really hard for this. Thank you our podcast team, พี่บิ๊ก พี่นัท พี่จอม พี่ปูน พี่โน้ต พี่อาร์ต and our Gen Z team, Edward กีตาร์ กัปตัน, Fia now, พี่ Ice, and so much more people. I'm so thankful for everyone. And oh yeah, we forgot the art team who make our beautiful covers, the proofreader team who proofread every single spelling mistakes for us, and yeah, we're just really appreciative of it. And here's the first look. So there's really not much inside. There's only the play button and some messages from YouTube, which is pretty cool, and they wrote it in Thai. Honestly, yeah, I think it's just cool. We hope everyone shower us with love and subscribe to our channel, and in the future maybe we'll receive the gold play button, the diamond play button, who knows. But yeah, we'll keep producing useful, fun, and exciting contents for everyone. So hopefully you guys subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any new contents. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. It's free. Thank you for today. I know it's a really short video, but yeah, thank you very much.
Hi, guys. Long time no see. Have you seen this?
Yes, I have seen.
Okay, can you just fake a reaction? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god!
How do you feel? How do you feel about receiving 100k subscriber?
I feel very appreciated for having this. I think this mirror is kind of funny. A lot of
It's very distorted.
Presented to the Standard Podcast for passing 100,000 subscribers.
very thankful and very happy. Good.